Unless you change how you are, you will always have what you have got. This is the powerful quote of personal development. Once you understand this word, it will be easy for you to achieve your goal. Personal development is closely linked to self awareness. Through this process, you will get to know who you really are, what your true values are, and where you would like to go in life. Personal development in itself will change the way you live your life. It makes you confident and matured professional, two extreme important qualities for career growth. Today, we are going to talk about this. In the last part, we got to know about the two strategies of wealth building, which were setting a goal and knowledge. The third strategy is learn how to change. In this, the first change is personal development. If you want to become successful and wealthy, then learn to work hard on yourself than you do on your job. See, everyone works hard to earn money, right? But what matters is the time you spend on your own development. I want to share the real life situation of graduates or students who are in search of job. The first question that comes in the mind of job seekers is what am I getting or what will I get? This question can definitely destroy your ability to grow your income in future. Now, the next thing which I am going to say will help you to understand it better. There are two persons, X and Y. Both are job seekers. X is a person who thinks about what will I get, whereas Y is a person who thinks about what will I become. The difference here is that what will I get? This question comes when salary matters you and you work only for earning money. And what will I become is the question which comes when a person want to achieve big and dream high. So decide which one you want to be. Again, I want to share a small example. A person like X, if he gets million rupees, then what he will do with that? Definitely, he will hurry up in buying all the luxury things that he could not buy and spend all the money. Whereas a person like Y, if he gets same million money, he will definitely invest the money and earn good returns in the long run. The second change is in values. Some of the core values that define success for every individual is honesty, hard work, confidence, respect, integrity, and responsibility. Creating values within us will help to focus on our goal. Every morning you will start a day with a positive thoughts and try to learn new things and develop values. When a dancer performs in front of a public, that's not because of the environment there or the public motivates the dancer. Yes, of course, that matters, but the real courage and confidence comes from inside. Without confidence, can anyone perform? No, right? So, first, learn to develop values. To become a millionaire, develop values like a millionaire. Firstly, improve your weakness. Start becoming a confident person. Try to take responsibilities. Give respect. Become an honest person. Before that, bring a smile like a millionaire. Develop a personality like a millionaire. These small changes will bring you closer to wealth. The third change is the seasons of life. There are 4 seasons. But how many of you know about the seasons of life? Right, there are only few people who know about the seasons of life. The first is the time to grow strong. There are some times we feel disappointed, lonely, or unsuccessful. This is the time to become even more stronger. I can assure you, once you get stronger, you become wiser and you will try to become better every day. The second season is the time to take advantage. Life gives opportunity to everyone. Intelligent people take it, whereas others don't. See, it's not important that you should take advantage of each and every opportunity. After all, we are all humans. We sometimes miss, and if we miss it, doesn't lose hope. New opportunities are on the way and can knock the door at any time. The third season is time to take care. Learn to protect what you have created because there will be many arms who will try to pull your legs down because all good will be attacked. But you should have the ability to protect yourself, and the values you have created. The fourth season is time to take responsibility. The day when you understand to take responsibility and accept the failure without complaint, it is the maturity you develop. The fourth change is self imposed limitations. To become successful, we must eliminate those self imposed limitations. Self imposed limitations are procrastination, blame, and excuse. The first and most dangerous limitation is procrastination. Procrastination means put off doing something. We humans have a tendency to procrastinate. We usually put off doing some minor task. This can make a worst day if you usually delay. The second self imposed limitation is blame. At every point, we all of us have blamed someone for something. Instead of blaming, you should take it as your own challenge and improve your faults. Start thinking in terms of me instead of others. You will observe a change in your attitude. Excuse is a third self imposed limitation. We make millions of excuses to avoid the truth. People just don't want to accept the truth and make excuses to avoid. This limitation will never help you to grow. You can change all things for the better when you change yourself for the better. This quote is for the people who think they can't achieve their dreams. Firstly, remove all the negative thoughts from the mind. We humans can do remarkable things. We can turn nothing into something. People can rise to unbelievable heights. One thing which can help you is discipline. Till now, we have understood about the changes we need to make in our lives. Now, we'll understand how to change. The best way to change our life is to build an habit. Firstly, change all your old habits. It takes time, but once you start building new habits, you can see a huge transformation in you. The habits you can change are spiritual self development, physical self development, and mental self development. You can develop an habit of meditation and yoga for spiritual self development and for peace of mind. Regular exercises, food you eat will help you to develop physically. Mental self development is your imagination power, problem solving ability, and thinking power. This can be developed by reading and solving problems. People will hate you, rate you, shake you, and even break you. But how strong you stand is what make you. Self motivation is key. You won't be successful without it. It is a mystery. Remember, others can't change you, but surely you can change yourself. So become a self motivator. Once you become a self motivator, you can change spiritually, physically, and even mentally.